Hey everyone, wanted to take a quick moment of your time to show you how my Subaru engine timing cover removal tool works. Looks like this, and basically all this does is bolts onto the head of the engine and pushes the cover off from the back. One thing to note is that this is mainly designed for the passenger side, because I found that the passenger side of the engine bay has more space to work with once you remove an airbox or something like that. And that's just because the timing cover is designed asymmetrically. However, you know, once you have one whole side, it'll come off very easily. All right, so we're at the back of the engine here. As you can see, I've taken the valve cover off. Some engines, the valve cover is going to be in the way, so just pull it off. This is an FB25 from a 2021 Outback, but like for an FA20, like in a WRX, it'll clear the valve cover. So take your tool here and one of your small bolts that's included with a washer on it, and we're gonna put it in the hole, and then we're gonna screw it into the back. Take the other one, do the same, and then all you do is take these top bolts and you just tighten them until it's gonna make direct contact with this little ear. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a hand tool, not a power tool, to spin it. And this is a 13 millimeter, and we've got it kind of tight, and you kind of heard that pop there. So now I'm gonna tighten the bottom one. Okay, and now that one's tight too. All right, so now I have both of them contacting the ears, and as you can maybe see, it's actually starting to leak oil already down here. So even with that little bit of pressure, it's starting to come off. And then again, with just a ratchet hand tool, just slowly, and you can see where it's separating from the engine. Try to do it as even as possible. It's really leaking oil now. And then once you have enough space in here, you should be able to get a pry tool in here and very carefully pry it off. All right, and there we have it. We now have access to the timing chains, the tensioners, the guides, all of that. And it only took probably like 5-10 minutes. So, yeah, buy one.